Hey, sports lovers, imagine having a personal AI cameraman capturing every goal, every move, and every victory hands free. Sounds unreal, huh? Let me introduce you to your game changer, XbotGo. This AI-powered gimbal is more than just a gadget. It's your ticket to pro level of sports filming. With its cutting-edge Follow Me 2.6 technology, XbotGo tracks players with insane precision by recognizing their appearance, body shape, and even jersey number. Awesome. It's perfect for team sports like soccer, basketball, rugby, and more. 20 plus sports modes to be exact. And hey, no subscription fees. Just set it up and you're good to go. Let's see what's in that box. When you get it in your hands, it feels robust and very solid. Now, let's take it outside. Whenever you're capturing your kid's soccer game or your epic basketball shots, XbotGo tracks every move seamlessly, panning, zooming, and never missing the action. You want to go live? XbotGo has you covered. Stream your game in real time straight from the app. And when the game's over, create highlight reels effortlessly with its built-in video editor. How cool is that? Ready to revolutionize how you capture sports? Get XbotGo today with my exclusive link and discount code in the description. Trust me, you'll never see your games the same way again. Hit the like button and share with your sports squad, and let's make every moment count with XbotGo.